Ooh, wow, y'all see this? Wrangler. Man, this look good for a '08 model. What are you Wrangler fanatics out there? Are y'all keeping y'all Jeep up this? Wow, look at this, guys. This is a '08 model. You can tell by the key. Okay, problems. Oh, what was that miles? Did I miss that miles? What did that miles say? 170, guys. All right, yes, there will be some minor problems on a vehicle with 170,000 miles. All right, I thought the check engine light was on. Transmission complaints, at least that's what they say. Now, y'all know the drill, or y'all know how I get down, okay? I do not, I got oil change light. I do not go off assumption, right? Even if they say transmission, because you got to keep in mind, guys, especially you young techs or you aspiring mechanics, there's a lot of other things that could be wrong with a car that will affect the way the transmission shift. Okay, so in other words, a lot of stuff is related, guys. We're slowly moving out of the era of specializing. Okay, it's hard to specialize at a shop nowadays because in order to specialize in transmission, let's use transmission as an example, you have to be well versed in electrical. Okay, yes, they go hand in hand, guys. Also, just the same with drivability. No, I'm a tune-up drivability only guy. Some of that stuff, the way a transmission shift will affect drivability. So in other words, guys, get out of the habit of specializing. Learn the complete car all the way, all right? Bumper to bumper, all right? No more specialties because everything is related. They complain about transmission. It could very well be a drivability issue or differential issue. This is a Jeep Wrangler. Is it four-wheel drive? Yeah, I see a shifter right here. It could be a front or rear diff. It could be a transfer case that will affect transmission. That's why it's crucial to understand how systems work. All right, guys. Y'all see this? See, this is one thing I hate. Now, based off the complaint alone, I need to test drive this car, right? Look at this light right here, guys. Oh, my consumer. I'm talking to the customers. Consumer, if you're listening, please stop taking your car to a mechanic to get it checked out if you have no gas in it. In order for him to properly diagnose your car, he may need to test drive it. Okay? I mean, you want your car diagnosed right the first time, right? So help him help you. Yes. I mean, make it easy on him. I can't go on a long test drive if ain't no gas in this car. Oh, my goodness. So, all right. What I'm going to do first is scan it. All right? How about that? We're going to go inside the shop and we're going to scan this thing for any potential trouble codes, fault codes, whatever it may be, guys. Like I say, it's not always about it being a transmission problem. It could very well be anything else. I don't even have a check engine light on, so who knows? These computers are pretty good about storing things in the memory. So I just have to go into the memory log and see if anything was set there. All right, guys, I'm heading to the shop. Y'all hold tight, man. Don't go anywhere. We're going to get to the bottom of this. Stay tuned. I will be right back. All right, guys, here we are. We're at the topology. Now, I have the topology pulled up. You can see yellow in the PCM and yellow in the TIPM. The reason you don't see the TCM, I don't know if this Jeep has a nag in it or what. Or 42RE, I don't know. But only see trouble codes in the PCM. So let's click here and go to DTCs, and what we're gonna find is, see that, guys? P0430 cat system efficiency below threshold on bank 2. Yes, guys, back to what I was saying earlier. There's other things that can cause transmission or give off transmission symptoms but not be coming from the actual transmission. This is one of them. If this cat converter is, let's say, partially clogged or restricted, yes, guys, you're gonna feel like you have loss of power. That would make the average customer think something's wrong with their transmission. Okay, so there's actually 4 fault codes. Let me read all DTCs. All the rest of them are about lights. So let's go back over to the Jeep and let's talk some more. All right, stay tuned. Ooh, ready, guys. Hey, 3.8. Yes, the workhorse. This used to be FCA's flagship V6 engine. See a dipstick. that can only mean, well, that could mean 42 RE transmission, guys. Man, somebody been working on this. I see ground strap loose, little crazy stuff like that. So, guys, according to the computer, it's not a transmission issue, but I do have, the computer did pick up a failure in bank 2 cat converter. Now remember what, all right, JT, you talk too much. Which side is bank 2? I don't know by heart. I don't even try to memorize them by heart anymore. I go the old-fashioned traditional way. Whichever cylinder, this is a V engine, so whichever cylinder is closest to the front, all right, it's going to be bank 1 or cylinder 1. Cylinder 1 is the equivalent of bank 1, which means the other side is going to naturally be bank 2, right? So once you verify that, you can find out which side. Watch this video right here where I talk about that. Okay, so guys, I'm going to check this trans fluid. Y'all know you should check trans fluid while it's running. It's not running, but I can at least get a whiff. All right, it's not really burnt. It don't even smell burnt, but due to the mileage, I may recommend a service anyway. But nothing else, I gotta get that cat converter replaced, guys. That will, in essence, let the computer know that free flow is back. It detects inefficiency problems in the cat, guys. So now a lot of guys on YouTube are always talking about cleaning converters. I'm not against it. It's just I've never had any luck doing it. Okay, in fact, I've never done it. So I can't speak on something I've never done. But I don't know. I'm around newer cars all the time. So the older cats, like just say Scotty, he got a video out how to clean a cat converter. I'm not sure how that works, or because I'm not working on, I haven't worked on a car that old in a while. So I'm in a new car environment. So we don't clean cat converters out. Again, I have nothing against it. Anybody that's having success out there doing that, put it in the comment. Let me know how it works, because I don't understand the logic behind it. Okay, I don't know how you're gonna get the computer to not detect that efficiency problem again after you clean it. I don't know. Let me know so I will know. I'll help you help me. All right, but yeah, here we have no option but except for to replace the cat, and that's what I'm going to recommend. So like I say, I'm gonna look this thing over. I'm gonna get it in the air and see what's going on underneath. All right, y'all hold tight. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. I have it up in the air. Jeep Wrangler 08 model. Okay, yes, it is 4-wheel drive. You can see that. Look at this transmission, guys. This is a 42 RE transmission, workhorse. All right. Now, you can't blame that on the oil filter adapter housing. Number one, it's not a Pentastar. Number two, could actually be the real main. I don't know. They're not in for that, but I'm going to let them know about it. Now, cat converter. I didn't get to. This is going to be a pain. I don't know how this converter is going to come, but you got to charge accordingly, guys. Remember, this is a 4-wheel drive. Be careful how you charge for this cat converter. A lot of stuff have to come off, and you may have to rust soak, PB blast this stuff. So these bolts can come out right. So whatever you do, make sure you charge accordingly. This side seem like, I'm thinking, is they connected? Look like they connect. Yeah, look like they connected, guys. You might. I don't know if they split. I don't know if you can get the left side. We're gonna find out. I gotta go to the parts department and find out. All right. Remember, if this is if you have a transfer case, that's likely mean it's 4-wheel drive. So you got a front diff as well as a rear diff. I'm going to recommend servicing these. Look around, make sure there's no coolant leak. The 3.3 has been known for that little water pump right there to leak. Okay, I don't see any coolant coming from it, but you just never know. Rear diff, yes, got a rear diff. Easy way to service it. There's no drain. It's only one plug, entry port and exit, but you're not going to exit anything out of here. So what we tend to do, we used to take these whole covers off, take all the bolts on, take the cover. Now we got a sucker that we just stick a tube in there and suck a lot of it out. Not going to get 100% all of it out, but your goal is to get most of it out. Okay, so I'm going to recommend a rear diff service. Take a look at the brakes. That brake looked fine. It's hard to tell with the wheel on, but some of them you can see the actual. See, the brakes look pretty good based off of that. So guys, I got an estimate to write up. We'll see what happens. Again, I'll let y'all know. I don't know. I think these cats come as a complete unit. For the look of it, it may be a pain, but we're gonna find out if they purchase it. All right, y'all stay tuned, man. In fact, I'm gonna have to shut this video down. If they buy the parts, we'll open up another one, call it part 2. How about that? Is that? Oh my goodness, that's cooling, guys. Oh, see, that's why it's so important to look these. Oh, this is all coolant, guys. I got a freaking radiator leak. Wait a minute. Only thing coolant related up here is the bottle and the freaking radiator. It's time to pressurize it. So, but I'm gonna do all of that off camera. But guys, I mean, overly stressed the importance of visual inspection. Yeah, they're gonna drop right there, guys. This thing must be a radiator. Okay, I'm glad I saw that. I'm glad I was talking to y'all. Yes, y'all help me out sometime. Guys, that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next video.